Hi guys, this is Rangashini. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I put up videos every week. On my channel, you will be finding super honest product reviews and fun vlogs. So today is a vlog. If you have seen my past few videos, you might be already knowing I traveled to the UK a few weeks back. So some of you wanted to see a room tour, but filming a room tour and editing it is going to take some time, and I actually want to properly organize my room before showing it to you guys. However, today I will be filming organize my desk with me video. So my desk is super messy right now. I have seen after starting to living alone is that if I do clean my room and clean my desk, at least my workspace where I work, the night before, if I am much more productive the morning after. So which is why I'm going to clean my desk right now. So after cleaning my desk, you're going to see how my work space looks like. It is simple. So this is where I sit throughout the day, and I'm not a very fancy person when it comes to organizing. I just need to have the things that I need at hand, and that's basically it. That's the criteria, and that is there. So I just need it to be clean, and I just need my laptop, my notebooks, and my pen, and something to snack on with me. So that's there. I hope that you enjoyed this video. This is the first time I'm going to film a video like this, and I'm not best a bit apprehensive about it, and I'll really appreciate if you do let me know how you find this video. I'm looking at my desk and shredding it, but bringing you guys along this whole process. So without further ado, let's get started. Just one thing. After you have hit the subscribe button, please switch on the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a video. And when you do switch on the bell icon, make sure that the all option is selected so that you get notification of my videos. And yes, let's get started. I'll look around. Okay, so this is how my desk looks right now. It is absolutely messy, as you can see. I have my laptop here. Then I have these. Let my camera focus. Okay, so then I have these snacks that these are cereals that I like to snack on. Here's my cup of coffee, which is not in a very good state. I also have my phone here. There's this hard drive, very important for filming videos, takes up a lot of space. I have last night's takeaway MacD paper bag. If you have watched my What I Eat in a Day in Quarantine video, you might already be knowing the sad food situation that I am in right now. So basically it's just food. Here's the surface cleanser that I use to clean my desk and other stuff. There's this wipe, my wallet, notebooks, trash bags to take the trash out in. Very intelligent. Adapter, very important again for charging phone and stuff. And I'm going to talk you through when I'm organizing the entire desk. So yes, let us get started. Oh, and also lots of water bottles because it is important to stay hydrated, kids. So let's get started. So this is what my desk looks right now. It is not the fanciest desk organization that you can see, but it is practical, it gets work done, so why not? So I'll just talk you through it. First up, of course, there's the laptop. This is where I sit all day. Here's the cereals I told you that I snack on. I also have a fruit because you need to balance out the junk that you're eating. The hard drive that is already connected to my laptop. I have a pen, of course. I like to keep my surface cleanser and my wipe on my desk because I use it to clean my desk all the time. It is next is this power adapter box that I have this obsession with not throwing away boxes, so that's there. I have my wallet because if I need to rush out, I want it to be in my desk. And in my desk, there are 3 things that I have kept for emotional value. But first, I'm going to talk about these plastic bags. I keep them again on my desk so that I find them when I need to use them. So if I wake up in the morning to throw away trash, I like to keep things that I need very handy. And there are 3 things of emotional value. So while working, I like to keep things that mean something to me, things that remind me of my friends. So this is a muffler. It's a scarf that was given to me by my friend Maha. I keep it because it has a lot of emotional value attached to it. This is a notebook that was given to me. This is a hand-made notebook that was given to me by my friend when I left my home. And this is a beautiful colored notebook that was given to me by my friend here. So this was given to me by Louis, and this was given to me by Boshana. So yes, that's all. And of course, there's a pen. So I opened up a bit of my world to you today, and I hope that you enjoyed it. Well, that was it, guys. That was a little sneak peek into my everyday world. I hope that you enjoyed it. I admit that I'm not the biggest, organizer that's there around. I'm definitely not Monica. In fact, my Insta handle for the longest time used to be called Rachel Green 04. So basically, I'm like Rachel who doesn't take the trash out, doesn't know where the trash goes to. So I think I'm doing an okay job after starting to living alone. So yeah, that was it. If you enjoyed, you know what to do. Hit the bell icon after you have hit the subscribe button. You guys are smart. You're going to figure it out. Just make it all and hit a like button, comment, and give me and tell me what you would want to watch next. Until then, take care, and I'll see you again next week. Bye, guys.